It was lagging on that shit. God damn. What is going on? Thank y'all for coming in here on a Sunday mid afternoon. That's not. I was gonna say midday, but ooh, okay, yeah, Sunday afternoon. Oh God, hold on one second. I gotta fix my damn camera from streaming yesterday. Give me 1 second. OB. All right. Nope, not there. Filters. Turn off the glow. There we go. What's going on, guys? What's going on? We are here on a Sunday afternoon for our TPO Sundays, and then take a break, and then come back and do our movie night. Think of a movie. We got a whole lot. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go over the list right now. All right. Hold on, let me cut this music off because I hear it in my ear and it's bothering me. It's taking me off my game. It's taking me off my game. No Chasers in the building, Kingdom Minus in the building, and Butterfly Jones. We are on both vertical and we're on vertical and the other one, horizontal. Let me see. Hold on 1 second. Let me get everything together first. Do I need to be in news and politics, or should I? Oh, there's no criminal shit. It is what it is. We're right there. We'll be in news and politics. Anywho, let me drop the link for people that want to come up or may want to come up. We're gonna get that going already. What's up, Tip? My mama and them chilling, at least from what I know. On the vertical, and here it is. Well, I already did the vertical, horizontal, so we're gonna do it on the vertical. As we do the one, we gotta do the other. It's up there. We are chilling today. I have a long one with East Side Bryant. If y'all don't know who that is, y'all ain't been here long enough. The East Side got like 57 minutes, I think it is. No, it's an hour
Very
and
well.
seven
Thank you
minutes.
so much.
Jesus Christ. But it's going on multiple cases. So that's the good thing. What are we doing? Why is this automatic start shit? What are we doing? Um, yeah, we're also on X and Rumble as well, as you already know that. I ain't got to tell y'all that. Wherever y'all at in the system, thank y'all for being here. We're going to get started here pretty soon. I don't know what the hell I was looking up. What was I looking up? Anyway, we went and watched some dolphins and manatees today swimming the river. If my internet starts to go, it's because it is pretty much hurricane season. There's hurricanes brewing in our oceans right now, just in case y'all know that. It rains here probably every. Oh, movies. There we go. There you go. Thank you, Butterfly Jones. Thank you, Butterfly Movies. All right, we got. What is this? Battle for Haditha. Did we watch Dinner for Smucks? Yes, we watched that one, so that one's good. I know we have Lawman this weekend. We're gonna watch the whole season of that. That's what it was. So we're gonna watch the Bass Reeves season, season one. Okay, that was it. We're gonna start early and do the Bass Reeves. Uh, we got Leon the Professional. We watched The Eagle, The Harder They Fall. Did we watch that one? I don't know. Undisputed and whatever this one is. Scary Movie 2. So we do have movies lined up on deck that we can watch, but we're going to be doing the Bassman Reeves because it was paid for by Kingdom Minute. That's right. I remember now. Thank you for reminding me. All right, so
Gave me a disease from Charles.
let's try to knock these smaller cases out, and then we're gonna leave the East Side Bryant for the last. Yeah, The Professional was a good movie. I mean, that was one of my favorite movies. I ain't gonna lie. If it comes to favorite, that's one of my favorite movies. I like Hitman movies. I don't know why, but I do. Uh, yeah, let's get into this first case. Yeah, yeah.
Gave me a disease from Charles. And then she taunted me.
So she's not sorry. I never heard one thing of I'm sorry, which means she got the ass whipping she deserved.
Damn. Already starting off violent.
This is file number 211797. It's entitled People versus Cinquez Marie Furlow. That's you?
Yes.
Cinquez is here. She was charged with an allegation that alleged that on or about July 28th of 2021, she committed an aggravated assault upon Caitlin Beauchamp.
Oh shit.
2 counts. Then she was charged with contributing to delinquency of a minor. The defendant entered a plea to assault and battery, and the matter was set for sentencing a couple of times. It was set for sentencing on Monday. No, she pled aggravated assault, not assault and battery.
Correct.
And the matter was set for sentencing for May 9th at a special time, 10:30. Defendant called and said she was ill, set it for Wednesday, again a special. Defendant called and said she couldn't make it. And I said, well, that's not an option. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant. She had 48 hours, and so we made time again today at 1:30. So Cinquez is here in the building, live. Jordan Yancey is here. Caitlin Beauchamp is here. And Deborah Davis is here from the prosecuting attorney's office. This is actually the 3rd time that Cinquez has been convicted of aggravated assault.
Oh, that bitch violent. That's what
Jordan,
you said.
what would you like us
That
to
bitch
know?
violent.
I know there have been some hiccups as far as getting this case resolved. However, Ms. Furlow has remained in contact with me and apprised me of her situation. As the court's aware, she is a single mother, and it comes with challenges as to ensuring she's able to provide for her children and do what she needs to do. She did handle this matter timely. This was another instance where this was a somewhat older case. However, despite being in front of this court on an unrelated matter, it didn't catch up with her until quite some time. We did get the matter resolved. Ms. Furlow was very honest about kind of the reasoning why it happened. I'd ask the court to consider the fact that Ms. Furlow is, again, a single mom. She's gainfully employed, just providing for her children.
Sergeant Tuck in the building. Hey.
Aside from issues out of her control as far as being ill, not having a transportation, she does appear for court. She has on this file. She's been in good contact with me. She's taking this matter seriously, and that she's here ready to accept the consequences. I would ask the court to consider any time she's done on this matter, if they feel a brief period of probation is appropriate. I'd ask the court not to order any additional jail time. There is a request for restitution. I believe we may need to have a hearing on that. I did speak with the prosecutor's office. I can't remember if it was Ms. Davis or Mr. Johnson regarding the amount submitted as far as our dispute with, replacement value versus actual value of the items. So I believe this matter will need to be set for a restitution hearing regarding those issues. I'd ask the court to consider everything stated on the record today in sentencing. Thank you.
Deborah, what would you like me to know?
Well, Your Honor, I would like to give the opportunity to Ms. Beauchamp to speak first if she would so choose. She has been here the last couple of times, so I'm not sure if she wants to address the court now.
Well, this has been quite an inconvenience for her. Could you screen share the actual video of the assault?
Yes, Your Honor.
What up, Mayo?
What's up, man?
Sheesh.
I'll share the other view in just a moment.
This bitch out here assaulting people. Oh, there goes the thunder.
Thank you. It's hard to watch. He pulled up and started smacking this girl. Ms. Beauchamp, would you come up to have a seat right up here? If you
Hold
would?
on, I didn't see it.
You've seen that video before.
I didn't see it.
I haven't seen shit either. I think they cut it out.
Oh yeah, they could have. That's probably what happened. I was like, I ain't
Yeah.
see a damn thing. Let's see. Let's see if we catch a little bit.
I'd like to give the opportunity to Miss Beecham to speak first if she would so choose. She has been here the last couple of times, so I'm not sure if she wants to address the court now.
Well, this has been quite an inconvenience for her. Could you screen share the actual video of the assault?
I want to
Yes,
see
Your Honor.
this out, motherfucker.
Mhm.
All right, she pull up.
Yeah.
Oh, she got.
And all you
Oh
see is
my
her getting a little
god!
tussle.
God almighty. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see it down in the corner.
Yeah. And they cut it out of the other video. from the
Yeah.
inside view.
Yeah.
For YouTube rules, probably.
I'll share the other view in just a moment.
Yeah. Throw some OG do dirt on it. Absolutely. She had time to do that, but not show up to court. That's a fact. I don't know why she didn't show up to court. What does this say? This is the tail end of the store surveillance cam. This shows the mom and daughter leaving the scene. I had to cut the prior couple minutes to comply with YouTube rules. Oh, okay. God almighty. I need to. Oh, damn. I hope I can find. I wish I could find this on fucking Rumble, dog. Just the case itself. This shit crazy. I would love to see one of these. You know what?
It's hard to watch.
Go ahead.
And I don't see a problem with it, right?
No,
Because it's actually showing real events.
absolutely.
You know, nobody got their head taken off, their arm ripped out, their teeth smashed in. There ain't gonna be no blood. It's just
No.
a fight.
Just a regular old fight. Chick with big ass titties, hair all wild, came up there and slapped the shit out of chick a couple of times. And then she left.
I mean,
She wasn't wearing a
looked
bra.
straight- Yeah, she looks straight like a reject from an 80s music video.
Listen, I'm not lying. Did you not see it? Oh, okay. No. You said I sound like Locksmith Jeremy. I'm gonna show you. I don't sound like Locksmith Jeremy. I'm just telling the truth. I'm just
I mean,
telling.
she looks like she just straight out got rejected off the flock of seagulls.
Well, this has been quite an inconvenience for her.
Yeah.
Could you screen
This
share
ain't
the
me.
actual
This
video
ain't
of
me.
the assault?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, show the shit. Look, there she go. Pull up in the Suburban.
It's like flash dance.
She ain't got
meets
no
flock of
look.
seagulls.
She ain't got on no bra. What we talking
Nope.
about? Hair all wild.
Titty in her armpit.
He said titty. Look at her hair. That's a woman. Look at her. Even through a fuzzy, grainy goddamn camera, you can see that that's her hair all every goddamn where. She didn't wear no bonnet that day. She ain't got on no bra. If she do, she only sporting a sports bra that can try to hold them shits in, but can't. You know.
Last dance meets flock of seagulls. You got to be from the 80s to understand that one.
Shit, man.
All I can hear is Irene Carey singing, "What a Feeling."
Yo, I thought this was my camera. This is their shit. I was like, what the fuck's going on? Yo.
I'll share the other view in just a moment.
Got in the car.
Hmm.
I'm thinking that's a Suburban. It looked like a Suburban.
Yeah.
Are they fighting over a male? I don't know. Most likely they are.
Thank you. It's hard to watch. He pulled up and started smacking this girl. Ms. Beauchamp, would you come up to have a seat right up here if you would?
Oh, she
You've
beating
seen
up
that
on a
video
little white
before.
girl?
You just saw it just now. Was that a fair and accurate video of what happened on July 28, 2021?
Yes,
What were you doing sitting out in front of the store?
smoking a cigarette, playing on my phone.
All right, were you working there at the store?
Yes, I was on the clock.
So you were on your smoke break, having a smoke out in front?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, she beating up on she could pass for a Mexican or a light skinned Mexican. I don't know. Something though that.
White.
or white. That's what I'm saying. A dirty white woman.
Yeah, I got to take the L on this one, sir. Just like the Nazi all around.
It was two wildebeests going at it, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, two wildebeests, huh? That's crazy.
And then we saw what happened. She pulled up and started hitting you. What would you like me to know?
I've had previous encounters with her. The last time Charles went to jail, she had messaged me on his account. She had
Oh
called
my
me
God,
up
it's
on my phone
overdue.
and blocked me in, and I couldn't get out. She reached to the window and hit me. She's put her hands on my sister before.
Now, why is she mad? Why was she mad at you this particular day?
I don't know. When she got out of the truck, she said, "Asked why was I driving Macy's truck,
That's
no,
why you
she-
were driving.
Charles' truck."
Okay. And who is Charles?
I was with him at the time. That's her ex.
All right. So you were
Oh
dating her
my
ex-boyfriend.
God. See, that's the
And you were
problem.
driving
There go the
his
problem.
truck.
Like there was
Kingdom.
something that threw him away.
Jesus Christ. He went from one wildebeest to the next wildebeest. Yo, that shit is crazy. Yo, Kingdom Minded, you was right. And it was a black man because he in jail. So he went from from a white wildebeest to a black wildebeest. He in jail now. It don't even matter. He probably was someone else, another wildebeest. Shit. A wildebeest up in the goddamn jail. Yo, that shit. Yo, I wouldn't put it past none of them. We already know about Fulton County. Oh, they, what do they call them? The motherfucking, not deputies, the fucking jailiff, or not bailiff. What are they?
Corrections officer.
Yeah, correction officers up there, females, all sleeping with them dudes up there. They all sleeping with them.
Somehow
Yeah, they got
made
their
you
own way
mad?
to.
Yes.
No, absolutely.
All right. And then
Absolutely.
she hit you and her daughter hit you, and then they got in the car and left.
Yes.
She said something to you as she was leaving. Do you recall what that was?
I didn't hear anything.
This happened last July. Has anything happened since then?
No.
And you're no longer with Charles?
No.
What do you think I should do here?
She should go to jail.
Her bond was not to have contact with me. I did contact Officer Chris
She should go to jail.
Greenwood, I think. So his name
Greenwald.
was.
What up, Ron?
I was at work one day and I had got a friend request on Snapchat from her. I screenshotted it and I showed it to Chris.
But you didn't respond to it.
No,
So you've had no actual communication with her.
right.
Not without
Okay.
the lack of trying. She's trying to get a
I'm
hold
glad
of him.
You're here. I think you've had to be here 3 times, but you also suffered some financial loss. Tell me about that.
I was working 12 to 14-hour shifts then, and I had gotten sent home twice because of it. I went to the ER twice because I had facial contusion. I had cracks in my nose.
Oh,
and my
man.
cheekbone.
How do you
As a
get
result
cracks
of
in
this
your-
incident,
Yes.
she broke your nose and your cheek.
What'd you say?
How do you get cracks in your cartilage? Come on.
I don't know how she got cracks in the car wash. Because bitch probably was over there stalking her. Like, you know how this shit go. It ain't hard. They find out where the hoe work, and we're gonna harass her until either she get fired or I'm gonna whoop her ass. She just happened to whoop her ass, and then after that, I guarantee you that bitch was still stalking her. That's what usually happens. That's nothing new. And she gonna put her hand, oh man, I gotta pay these dudes. Man, listen, judge should put her ass. I don't know. That's kind of, well, no, put her ass in jail. That's
It
assault.
was-
Her and her
It
daughter.
was just minor fractures.
Disrespectful.
One of the other pictures shows you come back in, or maybe if you'd let that one run longer, and your nose was bleeding. So your expense was the emergency room and
My-
lost wages.
That and my phone got shattered.
Deborah, what's that total?
Let me look at the restitution
Good.
request.
Let's see the
I've got it in
restitution.
mind too, but I didn't want to get out of the screen.
I think it's like 922 something.
Lindsay said it's about 920.
Yep, $922.40. Your Honor, I think that the restitution request included the basis for what Ms. Beecham is asking for. Watching this video, it was a malicious, unprovoked attack. She took the opportunity, she admits she took the opportunity that she was driving by and saw that she was there. it didn't just affect this victim, but it affected that business that then had to shut down, had to clean everything because it was a biohazard. There was blood droplets on the floor at the convenience store. It inconvenienced a lot of people, and it really hurt Miss Beecham. You know, this to have a concussion. It's not a concussion that can have long-term effects. We don't really know. To fracture her face, it just over something as silly as being upset over a past relationship and somebody using a vehicle. So, you know, the fact that she's had these type of incidents before, I understand she's a single mother and that's not easy, but you don't take your 11-year-old child with you to beat up somebody and videotape it.
Man, if we don't stop with this single mother bullshit, if we don't stop with this shit, no one gives a fuck if this bitch was a single mother. She acted like she was an idiot. The bitch need to go to jail, and so do her daughter. The bitch was probably, the little bitch was probably grown. What the fuck are we doing here? Fuck her and her kids.
Yeah, she's 11 years old and fucking 180.
But fuck her too. She need to be in juvie. Bitch need to be in juvie. Put a little bitch in juvie. The fuck are we doing here? What we doing? This shit crazy. Oh, hell no, boy. You lucky you didn't get put slugs in your ass. Oh, I gotta downgrade Mayo. This shit is driving me fucking crazy. It is freezing and pausing and ugh. That's why I didn't upgrade, man. Oh, this shit is pissing me off. All right, let's continue.
You're beating them up. And I don't care if she asked her kid to do that or encouraged her kid to do that, or her kid just did that because that's what she wanted to do. The fact is, it aggravates this entire incident. You know, this is juvenile and childish, and it resulted in serious injuries to this woman who didn't deserve to be beat up. And you know, she's not really served any jail time of substantial amounts. When I look back at her booking history, there's been one day for this, and she got a PR bond. The other times that she's been in custody have just been 1 or 2 days for other issues. Perhaps that's what is needed to get her to understand that she can't behave like this. This isn't the Wild West where you just go beat up somebody because you feel like it or you're mad at them. If it's an anger management issue, if it's something like that, a probation would be helpful, but a probation is only going to do as much as what the person is putting into it. If she doesn't think what she did was wrong or what she did was inappropriate, then a probation isn't going to help her. And the only option at that point is jail punishment. So with that, I'm sure the court's going to hear what she has to say if she wants to speak. But as far as the restitution, you know, we have Ms. Beecham here. She can be sworn in and testify as to what the cost of her iPhone is and her earbuds and her missed work, if that's what is needed. I don't think that we need a whole separate hearing on those minor items.
Absolutely not.
If the court wishes to have that, we can do that. But I would like to have this for Ms. Beecham's purposes completed today. Thank you, Your Honor.
Kingdom Mighty, you ain't.
Well, when she
Kingdom Mighty said,
look. In 2015, she got 4 days.
Yo. What about her self-esteem? She took a butt whooping live on the internet. Folks might try to test her gangster. That's a fact. That right there is what do they call it? PTSD right there. She got PTSD. Now she can't go to work on time. We're gonna make this a drawing. We're gonna draw this out for about 5 years. That's what they should do. I bet you these ratchet people will stop acting like that eventually. They have to pay restitution for 5 years. Absolutely.
Still here. I put her on probation and ended up being revoked. She also has some felony obligations to the circuit court. So I've known Ms. Fertile for a long time.
Damn.
Maybe since high school age or so.
So she ain't changed since high school.
Sinquez, you saw the video. We all saw the video. What was going on?
First of all, I would like to speak, and you know I tell you nothing but the truth. I don't lie to you. I was not mad that she was driving Charles' truck, because at the time, Charles' truck was parked at my house. I fought her because she deliberately inboxed me. She gave me a disease from Charles, and then she taunted me. She was in my truck.
Wait a minute.
She was in my truck.
Wait a minute. How did she give you a disease from Charles? Make that shit make sense.
I mean,
it
wouldn't that be
makes
Charles's
sense.
fault?
That makes sense.
Wouldn't that be Charles's
bro.
fault?
Oh, bro, wow.
How does she give you a disease from Charles? You slept with Charles, so Charles gave you the disease.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Oh.
nigga here. You gotta stop.
Okay, I know it. I hear you. You gotta blame the white bitch. It's the white person's fault. OG, make that make sense.
It's not blaming the white person, bro.
Make it make sense.
Credence off. No, it don't, bro.
I said, I make it. I said to me, make it make sense to me, sir.
Nigga, so a person could just automatically just come up with a disease. That's what you're saying.
No, that's not what I said. I said she got the disease from Charles, not from the other chick. Y'all both were sleeping with Charles. Charles gave you the disease.
Obviously, they were sleeping with each other because she got the goddamn disease.
Listen, she had nothing to do with with the black chick. They both was fucking the same dude.
That's my point, Tom.
So the dude gave them both. What I'm saying is, they wasn't fucking with each. What I'm saying is, they wasn't fucking with each other. No matter how she got the disease, she got it from Charles. That's all I'm saying.
I'm not denying that.
So how can she say? How does she say she gave me a disease from Charles? That don't make no.
She's saying it do make sense.
Okay, well, go ahead, explain it to me, sir.
Again, I just said it, bro. How can Charles just automatically come up with a disease?
By fucking everybody in the motherfucking world. She don't know that who gave him the disease.
That doesn't matter.
Okay.
How did Charles just automatically? So God just came down and was like, you know what? You got this.
No, what happened was Charles was out there fucking more than these two fat wildebeests.
Exactly.
So you don't know, like I said, you don't know who gave Charles the disease. How can she blame her for giving Charles the disease? She don't know that because they both wasn't fucking Charles in the same bed at the same time. The fat bitch could have gave Charles the black chick could have gave Charles the disease. She don't know. We don't know. But to say that she got the disease from her because of Charles, that makes no sense. I just don't understand it. Maybe Noah, LA, did you hear that shit?
No, I just got here.
Oh my God. Hold on, let me run this back. Explain this dumb shit to me. What this dumb heifer just said.
That she was driving Charles' truck because at the time Charles.
You saw the video. We all saw the video. What was going on?
First of all, I would like to speak, and you know I tell you nothing but the truth. I don't lie to you. I was not mad that she was driving Charles' truck because at the time Charles' truck was parked at my house. I fought her because she deliberately inboxed me. She gave me a disease from Charles, and then
she gave me a disease from Charles. It don't make sense.
She a lesbian?
No.
You're not regifted. You're not regifting that shit.
That's what I'm saying, dog.
This ain't fruit. This ain't fucking. That fucking fruit bread at Christmas.
What'd you say, OG? I know you didn't say that shit made sense again.
Nah, I said that shit that he just said don't make sense. They ain't got nothing to do with what she's talking about. She's saying that she got a disease from her husband. And
her husband.
Had to be fucking
her boyfriend. He in jail now.
Her fucking partner. She got a disease from her fucking partner. And her partner was fucking on somebody else. Now, my thing is this. Unless this nigga just miraculously just got a fucking disease out of nowhere, he had to get it from somebody. And from what my understanding from my understanding, you only can get a disease by fucking somebody. If you got that type of disease on your penis or your vagina area, you only can get that from two people having intercourse who's dirty. Or something is going on with them. So for you to sit here and say, bro, Charles and old girl they was all fucking. Of course the disease is going to spread. He cheated on you with somebody else. He got something. He brought the shit to you. That's what she said.
Well, if the white woman's
be mad at her for it.
The white woman was
because he can't get it by himself, Mayo. It's easy.
But she's not mad at Charles.
Who cares?
Oh my
She's mad as a
God.
fucking
OG,
woman,
you
bro.
are you really trying to make this bitch the victim?
Bro, are you? Why I'm trying to make her victim? I don't give a fuck about the bitch. The bitch is retarded. She's
I know,
fucking
but
on
you
a nigga
still
that's fucking on somebody else who gave her disease search.
that doesn't
And you telling
change
me
the
I'm trying to
fact.
take up- Listen to what I just said.
Go ahead,
The dumb
go ahead.
bitch is fucking on somebody who gave her disease from somebody else he was fucking.
Uh-huh.
You telling me I'm making her the victim? Make that make sense, bro.
Do you not hear yourself speak? Sir?
Did you just hear what I said? The
I
dumb
heard.
bitch just got a fucking disease from a stupid ass nigga who was fucking on another bitch, and she's mad.
Okay.
And you telling me I'm calling her a victim, bro? Listen, bro. I'm not calling this woman a victim. I'm calling a bullshit nigga that just one person can't just come up with a motherfucking disease. You got to get it from somebody else. Y'all two motherfuckers had to get the shit. Obviously, she didn't have it. She got it from them.
Well, we don't know that. We know most.
Wow.
I'm gonna tell you like this: most people don't keep up with their shit at the point in time where they know where they got something, doesn't get something, especially STDs. They pass them around like motherfucking candy around this bitch at a church Sunday, because everyone is fucking everyone. So you can't just say I got it from this person, and I know for sure if fucking Charles out here fucking 37 bitches and both these bitches got the same shit. Guess what? I guess y'all shouldn't have been fucking Charles' ass. Blame Charles. You can't hop Charles and say this bitch gave Charles something and Charles gave it to me. No, Charles gave it to both. That's all I'm saying. Because we know if he was fucking them both at the same time, he was fucking other chicks too. LA, what did you hear? Because you the quiet one in the bunch.
This nigga done made Charles into a motherfucking stallion.
As absolutely, this nigga in jail clocking bitches. What you talking about?
He had two bitches, two fat bitches.
That's
and
a
now
fact.
all of a sudden he getting bitches.
You don't think fat girls need love too? Well, there's one fat bitch, there's another fat bitch, and after guess what? There's another. After that, there's another fat bitch that'll fuck you too. Fat girls need love too, just like fat niggas need love. Star Jones got a nigga.
That don't mean that they out here slaying.
Oh, listen. There is a person that says that they're the fat girl slayer. I remember this nigga. This nigga used to go around. Look at goddamn say like what he say he was, huh?
Yeah, I'm looking at.
All right. So don't say there ain't people out there that just want big girls, and they'll slay a whole bunch of them.
Yeah, bro. You keep on saying stuff I never said.
I'm inferring
stuff that I never said.
I'm inferring shit.
A lot of ifs into
You
it,
just
so
said that you act like he out here slaying. He could be out here slaying all fat chicks. What up?
You're inferring, dog.
You inferring too.
I called out your infer, bro. I never inferred that this nigga was doing nothing. I said you act like this nigga.
I did say, listen, I'm agreeing with you. I am inferring shit, yes. But you also inferring shit. You inferring that this white bitch gave this nigga Charles the disease.
You inferring that this nigga Charles just had a disease and gave it to both.
No, I'm saying Charles out there fucking a lot of people and probably got it from someone else. We don't know who he got it from.
Another person.
Yeah, Charles could be fucking another person. You don't think Charles could be fucking more than two bitches at the same time?
Obviously, Tom, he only fucking two bitches. The two bitches that they talk about.
Oh my God, you really believe that?
No, I don't believe that he's fucking either one of them. I just believe that God gave him the disease.
That's a fact. Me too. Oh, LA, you ain't spoke your mind because I'm tired of hearing OG. He been arguing with me all for a whole goddamn week.
I'm letting y'all have this one. I mean, I ain't got nothing to say about nobody who getting burnt. That's on him. I kind of agree with OG. Fuck them all. They all out here just slinging.
No, you can't agree.
That
with
ain't
me
what
because
he's
I'm making
saying.
her a victim. That's what the nigga said. I'm making her a victim, and nobody else ain't gonna say. I ain't making her no damn victim. The bitch is fucking retarded. She's fucking on a dumb nigga that's out. She's a fat chick fucking on another nigga who's fucking on another fat chick.
Who could be fucking on another fat bitch? All I'm saying, and I'm gonna say from the get-go, we don't know where the disease came from, as far as who he got it from or who she got it from. But you know, OG knows who she got it from. Okay, the white woman gave her the disease.
That's the whole point. I never brought up look, at first, this is the crazy part.
Uh-huh,
Never
go
brought
ahead.
up the woman. They didn't know the woman was white. Just came in. Only thing
No,
I
you
heard
know a
was
white.
the
She look
shit.
white over there.
Here
Stop
we
it.
go, Lord Jesus, bro. Can't make it with this nigga, bro. I gotta tell you, that nigga yo me, bro. You can't make it white and black with me, bro. I don't look at that shit like
Man, you looking at it right now. Stop it.
no, I don't, bro. Again, no,
Uh-huh.
no.
Y'all been fighting for 40 years.
No, because you keep on doing the same thing. I don't know why you keep on doing it, bro. Just let me say what I'm gonna say, bro.
I ain't said that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Fighting for 4 fucking
This nigga
days.
say he didn't
dog.
say nothing, bro.
I ain't said. I ain't
This
said
is the
that.
longest fucking fight I've ever seen in my life.
I told you,
Fight.
bro. You can do that shit with them, bro. You can't do it with me, bro.
OG,
I'm just
if
like
you can
like
just
my mind
explain
think
to me
like
how,
that, bro.
it just
I just
explain.
did, sir.
No, you didn't. You
I'm sorry
inferred.
you didn't accept my answer.
It's not that I didn't accept it. It just was bullshit. That's
I'm
all.
sorry that my answer was bullshit and it wasn't up to your part.
Because you act like you know who gave who the disease. That's all I'm saying.
I'm only going by the story, sir. What I'm not gonna do
Uh-huh.
is put my thoughts into something that ain't there with it.
So you're inferring that
you
she's
just
telling the truth. Is that
no,
what you're
I'm
saying?
only going by facts.
Now, how does a fact? Wait.
Because
How-
until you disprove somebody, sir, not by just what you feel, emotions make you cry sometimes.
No.
It doesn't matter.
No, sir. If you want to say that, it goes back to the same thing. Who just say this black bitch is telling the truth?
Again, unless.
Oh my God! So anyone can make a
Unless-
statement. Wait. Anyone can say
Yes,
that,
bro.
make a statement that automatically makes it true.
Anybody can make a statement.
No.
Doesn't make it true until you.
Oh my God! That's a horrible argument. If that's what you want to have.
Oh my God, bro. Okay, cool. It's a horrible argument, Tom.
That's a horrible argument.
It's facts.
No, it's not.
Okay.
What color is the sky, nigga?
Blue, Tom.
You sure it's blue?
Well, by the scientists, yes, it says it's blue.
No, the scientists don't say it's blue. This is how you know you lying. Scientists say it's translucent. It's reflection off the goddamn ocean.
From what?
Oh, you know what? Let me keep going. This nigga.
No, you ain't got to keep going.
No, I'm gonna
Just
keep going.
answer
I
that
ain't
question.
answering shit.
No, from
I
what?
ain't
From
answering
what?
shit. I just
From
told you the
what?
reflection
I
of the ocean.
I understand that. But do you know the reflection of what they talking about? It's particles in the air, bro, that makes that shit look like that.
Absolutely.
That's the part I was getting to. So a
Absolutely.
reflection. You got it, bro. You can't even let me speak. Bro.
I'm letting you speak. All I said was absolutely. I was agreeing with you. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna need. Go ahead.
Oh, you got it, bro.
Y'all two or something.
Because the shit that he do, bro, I just look when he just said he let me speak. I was just trying to speak, and then the nigga stopped me and said he let me speak. So if I go back and rewind and try to tell this nigga to go and bet me $25, I guarantee you I'm gonna win that $25. Because when he say something, I usually stop and I want to hear what he got to say so I can understand so I can make sure I'm giving him decisive answer. And just like he told me about the reflection, I was just trying to get to the part, bro, about the particles, bro. It's a difference. When I looked it up, I thought it was the reflection too. But when you look at a reflection off of something, reflections is off of water, reflections is off of light, reflections is off of different things, materials. What is the difference between that reflection and what the sky does? The particles, sir. And you just agreed with me. That's the rest of scientific fact. But if somebody up here want to tell me I'm wrong, go ahead. Doug.
Can I speak now? Because I don't want to upset the my OG do dirty.
It's the OG do dirty. It's not mine. I'm the OG.
No, I said the almighty. I said the almighty OG do
No,
dirty.
it's just I'm not almighty at all.
No, we're gonna put it on there because I already said I agree with you, punk ass, but you want to keep going like I didn't say I agree with you.
I don't need the almighty.
Oh, nigga. Fucking sick of this nigga, man.
Haunted me. She was in my truck. She was in my truck. They were putting stuff in my gas tank. The reason why I don't have a vehicle now. She kept inboxing me also back and forth and taunting me, her and her sister.
You mean
Caitlin and her sister.
inboxing? You mean sends?
Back on Messenger.
Okay.
How do I I like your heated seats and this and this and that. You keep taunting and taunting and taunting and talking.
Where
Her
the
sister
message is
came to
at?
my grandma's house that's sitting back there on that day, tried to hit me and my daughter. She came put up to my grandma's house. I retaliated. Yes, I'm mad. I'm tired of dealing with that. And she was not with Charles. I was with Charles. She was the, whatever you want to call that. And she was steady going on and on and on. We was in Riverside. Charles at the time, she was the reason why I was getting beat.
Well, Charles ended up stabbing
me and put a gun to my head and it jammed. She's the.
And y'all fighting over this nigga? Oh, get the fuck out of.
Well, she just said Charles wasn't with her, but how'd she give her the disease?
Nigga still hitting it. What we doing here?
What I've been going through, brother.
Good Lord.
Yeah, Charles still knocking it down. What we talking about? Don't we always say women go back to their exes, their baby daddies?
Stop propping these women up as victims.
That's what you doing, OG.
Them hoes always go back. We
I
know
call
this.
the whole stanky and nasty.
Just because you call stinking ass don't mean you didn't make it a victim.
Oh yeah, dude.
Nigga, OG over here propping these hoes up, cuz.
Yeah, well, I'm listening to this shit. Good job, LA.
LA didn't do shit either. What did LA do? He stated the fucking obvious. The motherfucker was still fucking them two bitches and probably having a third out there too. If he fucking them two, he damn sure fucking another one as well.
And he probably got his pick in jail.
And he got his pick in jail. That's a fact. Some dude named Bertha. What we doing?
Or James.
Or James.
Because she was the sideline messing with, telling him lies.
Hey, you're
and I'm not
fighting
knowing
over
he's
the
messing with her at
motherfucking
the time,
idiot.
and
That's
he's
a
stabbing
fact.
me up and stuff because of what she telling him. I'm doing that. I'm not doing nothing. First and foremost, I was in Riverside. Riverside, she don't own Riverside parking lot. I was out there at a friend's house, Cache Nicholas. Her sister stayed on the other side. At this time, I did not know Reese was sleeping with this girl. So that was just her guilty conscience. Reese put up trying to fight me, beat me up in front of everybody. And the only way I knew how she knew was because of her, because I seen her in the phone that one time. And then everybody out there was like, Reese, that's when I found out. It was her. Cache said, yeah, Reese been coming over here for her. Okay, boom. I didn't come over there deliberately just following her to fight her. She knows that. I was in Riverside partying. She, at the time, I'm like, why did you call her Reese?
What does that gotta do with you going to the stove knocking her head loose? I don't care about the backstory, bitch. Tell us why you hit the hoe that day, not 7 days before that, and you getting gonosyphilitis, nigga. We don't care. You was fucking the same nigga. Granted, we know that shit. God. See, OG, this is the hoes you propping up, man. It's all right.
Asking her.
No, when you say
so.
Reese, you're
Charles. I'm like, why did you call Reese and tell him I was out here? What was your point in that? I didn't. She's acting all clueless like she's doing right now, like she don't know what's going on. And I'm gonna tell you the honest to God truth.
No one cares what you got to say.
I just don't fight just to fight.
Yes, you do.
I fight when I'm in harm and me and my children
It
are
didn't
in
look
harm.
like a fight.
It was.
You're lying. He know you since the age of 18. He said when you was in 17, since you was in high school. Who goes to court at 17? OG, how many times you go to court when you were 17, nigga?
I think I first went when I was 14. I didn't start going until I was like 22. So
Damn, so you one of them bad niggas. See, I was smarter, OG. I didn't get caught.
shit, that's good too. what we talking about here? That's good too. Shit, everybody ain't able. Some of us got to get caught, nigga.
So, yo, it's okay. I just went. Know what I went? I just went to motherfucking. What do you call them goddamn thing where they said? It was called Marie Daddy back then. It was one of those group home shits. I did get put in a group home for a couple minutes. Damn, this shit, man, this motherfuckers. All right. No matter what, OG, you good with me, sir? All right.
Bro, I know this already, bro.
You just be propping up these dirty trout mouth ass hoes. It's okay. I ain't gonna put it past you. It's okay. I ain't gonna hold it against you. I ain't gonna hold it against you. You a good nigga. You prop up these dirty hoes. It's all right. It's all right.
I just pop up the real.
No. They no real. They no real with that.
Yeah, that's real.
No.
Playboy.
A real hoe. A real dirty hoe. That's what it was.
She been whooping ass, nigga.
Oh yeah, listen, I ain't saying she ain't been whooping ass, but she over here saying, but she over here lying though. This bitch over here lying though.
That motherfucker whooping ass.
That bitch over there lying. She, I don't be whooping no one for no reason. Yes, you do, bitch. Yes, you do, bitch. That's why he know you since you was 17.
It happens.
Yeah, I ain't saying it don't happen because like I said, only one that never got in a fight over 10 fights in a year is LA because he, you know. Oh shit! I hit the wrong goddamn button.
Dumbass.
Here I go, man, right here. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go.
Ass whooping.
What caused it
At least
was
I
her.
get cussed
I
out
would
by
have
Flora.
never. I took my problems out. With cheating. You don't go to the person he cheating with. You take it out on him. If she would have never,
I
when he
got out of trouble
locked up,
because I was
I like
protected
your
class.
heels.
Seriously,
Oh, you know I
there
was
was a
driving
tiny amount of
Constantine when
whites
he
and
was
the
on the
majority
phone
of
with you in your
Hispanics.
truck, just taunting, while I'm getting beat up by him because of her.
In relation to this was July 28th.
Yes.
Stuff is all earlier the same
What
day.
does her telling him something getting your ass beat? Maybe you wasn't acting right and he wanted to whoop your ass. And why was you staying with that nigga after he was beating the dog shit out you? Stabbed you, put a gun to your noggin. Just doesn't sound logical. And these the bitches that OG do dirty like to prop up this nigga right here. That nigga's propping up these douchebag assholes to get their ass beat by their boyfriends and then blame it on a white woman because she white. That's crazy.
That's a fact. Ain't my fault she got that good.
Earlier the same day,
Obviously, the white woman got the better because the simple fact is she kept going back to that white girl. Yeah, and he wasn't beating the white girl ass. Who ass was she beating?
That's
huh?
the point.
Yeah.
The point.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah.
He didn't touch her. She wasn't worth nothing.
I know. He touched her because she.
Garbage.
No.
Trash,
He didn't
bro.
touch that because that was put on a pedestal. Yeah. The shit that you don't want, you destroy. You know what I'm saying? The shit you want, you put on a pedestal. Absolutely.
Sound like Charles.
Absolutely. Charles or Reese. No, hold on. You're getting his name wrong. That nigga's name is Reese, motherfucker.
Oh, that what Charles or Reese?
Yeah, they call that nigga Reese. See, the white woman calls him Charles, right? Because she was getting put on the pedestal. Reese was beating this bitch ass. That's why she only got the nickname.
Now, he said that.